Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick video to walk you through how to install and use the EasyBib add-on into your Google Docs. You use the EasyBib add-on to create proper, well-formatted citations for any assignment, but as you can see, right now I have opened a current events assignment. You can see from the highlighted section, properly formatted MLA style citations are required for this assignment. They'll be required for a lot of your assignments. There is a way, it is possible to do them by hand and make them on your own, but that is long and complicated and fussy. And while there is some value into knowing how to do it, you can copy and paste them off other places, and that's just easier. So have your document open, whatever document you're working in. Go up here to add-ons, click add-ons, and go down to get add-ons. Wait for it to come up. There we go. Okay, so then you are going to install, then you are going to search, and we are looking for EasyBib, which, yes, I know you could see, but it might not show up on yours. So you search for EasyBib. Now, mine, you can see already says installed. You would click on the button to install it, grant all the permissions like you would with any other add-on. Okay, and then from there, go into your add-ons, pick EasyBib, and what it will do, like a lot of add-ons, is open up a side panel. Okay, you want to make sure from this first drop-down menu that it says MLA 8th edition. That's the newest version. That's the one we want. Okay, and you also want to click over and make sure that it's showing, keep losing my cursor, make sure that you're on website. Okay, then you just open up your current events article in another tab, copy the full, complete, absolute URL, paste, hit search. Oh, that didn't go well. Okay. Well, that's embarrassing. All right, let's try another article. That really should have worked. All right. So copy, paste. There we go. And you get, make sure that's your title, hit select. Now it gives you a beautiful citation. All completely filled out. Click add it to your document. And what it's going to do is it's going to put it down at the bottom, the end of your document. You can leave it there. Okay. Or you can copy and paste it back up into the box. Doesn't really matter which one. Do please make sure that you leave me the URL so I can click on it and check your article. Now, if what happens the first time where it didn't open happens again, what you can do, what you should do, is go to EasyBib, create citations from a website, paste the information in, And sometimes the full website works better. But also, hang on a second, once we pull up the citation. One, sometimes the full website does work better. Two, once you click through, come on. Once you click through, if you're missing information, you can then add it in by hand and it'll still format it for you. So the app is the nice, easy way to do it. But if your URL doesn't work in the app, if you go out to the full website, it'll let you type in the different pieces of information and you can work on it that way.